How's it going? It's all good. Don't worry about it. We're just chilling. Everything's okay. Just want to get you on camera for the channel. You guys are all looking scraggly. I don't know either. I don't understand. Y'all need a shower or something. Oh, this is Colin with Tesla's Wild. Thanks for watching. We got a quick video for you guys today to just go over a couple of new additions I have. Some new gear I got for Nico, the Tesla Model 3 Performance. Not too exciting of things today, but they are. This will just kind of be reviews and installs, but the install is not an install. It's like literally placing things where they need to go. So I did get a set of liners here from Amazon, as you can see right now. They're from GoPro Hero, so we're going to check those out. I did get them in white, and these are also what I'm going to be giving away in the upcoming 500 subscriber giveaway. We also did get a center console organizer as seen here. Made by the same company, also in the white trim. They should match. That was what ultimately decided what color liners I would get, is that they would match the center console organizer. So we're gonna get these in, we're gonna do a quick review. Not much to say, you just put them in and they work. So we'll see you guys shortly. All right. Anyways. There it is. Good stuff, good stuff. Parkour. Okay, made it. What do we have in here? Got some new goodies for the Tesla Model 3, new goodies for Nico. Turbine. We're gonna go through those. They're not as exciting as usual, but they are something that seems kind of cool. We're gonna find out. First of all, so one of the big downfalls of this car is that their storage areas are just giant pits. Like, okay, it works well for a lot of GoPro material like I have, but you know, could be better. So we bought an organizer for, I think this specifically. This one isn't great either. It's just kind of like a pit with a couple things, like a little ridge in the middle, but also just another giant pit underneath that. So we're gonna hopefully fix that one in the future, but this one will be good today. So let's get that done. All right, so, ooh, this goes hand in hand with my other thing that we're doing in this video. This is a set of mats. I made sure to get the white matching between them, so we're gonna get this center console organizer in, and that's really it. Not a lot of review to do on this. Seems like it's nice quality. Okay. Oh, hey, there's something underneath. Maybe that goes right there. Whoops. Did you work on this or what? Dude, that's great. Thank you. I appreciate it. One of the cool parts of working where I work is you get some really, really cool videos and stuff like this, and we do all sorts of cool things with space. So yeah, up there. Thanks, Chris. I appreciate it. Got this guy in there. Not really sure how it goes in, but we're gonna find out. That looks pretty good. That does not work at all. So I think it goes this way. I see it butts right up against this light right here. Interesting. Okay. Closes? Yes, it does. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. Also, 232 subscribers. Y'all are amazing. Yeah, that looks just about right to me. Cool. Fits right in there. No extra modifications necessary. Why don't we get some stuff in there? Bum, 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 bum. Nice. Beautiful. 1/4. No, that doesn't work very well. Does anybody have like just this perfect setup like this? I don't. Okay, this has got to be better. Got to be by size here. Okay, drop that right in. Nice. Look at that. And key maybe there. And mint. Think that looks pretty good. Leave it just like that. Cool, cool. All right, let's get this other one opened up. Oh. Something fell. Some double-sided tape. Okay, not sure what we need that for, but I guess we'll find out. Oh my goodness, such a struggle. I think that one goes there. This GoPro showed how much battery was actually left. It is getting warm inside of here. I think that goes there. Wrong way. Beauty. Matches the white. One down. I think this one goes maybe in there. Cup holder hero. Interesting. Okay. Ooh, even some for the back. That's kind of cool. Nice. Oh yeah, that looks really good. These are really nice. They have really good quality, it seems like, but it's just this rubber, but the white does go well. Glad this matches identically. It's perfect. These loops are kind of a little bit off, but that's all right. No big deal. Gotcha. Okay. And of course we want these to be facing the same way. Maybe we'll do one forward, one backward. Real question, will they stay in if I lift this up? Whoa. Yeah, 2 more to go. Those are good. Ooh, no more hard to clean mess. That's disgusting. All right. Get this guy out and these guys out. Now this just drops right in there. I don't know if you're supposed to remove that, but we're just gonna do them both together. Why not? Also, I wish Tesla would allow you to kind of customize this bottom widget here and add a glove box widget directly onto here. That would be pretty dope. More to come, hopefully. Hopefully that happens in one of the future updates here. Drop that in there. Now we Gucci. Oh, okay. So this needs to come down first, and then that goes in there just like that. Let's get this last guy in. So this looks like it has the label up near the top there, and we'll get that in there. All right, do we think it goes all the way forward? Still confused on what the double-sided tape is for. Well, there we have it. We got all the mats installed. They look pretty darn good. They go well with the white. This is especially helpful because these deep pits, they're kind of useless IMO. I mean, you can store stuff in there, but there's absolutely no way to efficiently organize it. It does close just fine, as you can see. They all look pretty darn good. So, with that said, let's get everything back in there. That there, lint roller there, and you back in there. Flashlight. This thing is dope, by the way. It's like a projector. Pain relief, and we're good. So not a lot to say about these. They are great. They are great material. They stick right in place. They do come with this double-sided tape. I think it's probably for that long one in there. We'll see if we end up needing it. We're just gonna drop it right in there so that we have it for the future. They definitely clean the car look up a little bit, make it a little bit more coordinated. Great quality, cheap price, well worth it. I'll put links in the descriptions for both of these, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys next time.